My name is Susan and welcome to my video. I'm here to give you my review of Partner with Anthony. First up, it takes you step by step on everything, on how to set everything up, all the tools that you need. Second, there is no Amazon store to set up. You don't have to buy any merchandise. You don't have to deal with any warehouses. Third, you got a residual income. Who doesn't want a residual income? And fourth, you've got a wonderful community of people that are going through this with you, that are going through the same thing that you can ask questions to, and they will help you reach your goal. That's what I love about Partner with Anthony, is that you're partnering with Anthony Morrison and you're not going through this alone. It takes the fear out of starting a business and becoming an entrepreneur. Why did I start Partner with Anthony? Well, I'll tell you why. I was laid off twice. That's right, twice. And so I decided I wanted to create a safety net for myself and create my own income and basically hire myself. And that's exactly what I did. And I feel that this is a good path for me to set up for my retirement for when that time comes. And it's also layoff proof. So that's why I joined Partner with Anthony. This is a great program for anybody that wants to start their own business. You just have to be motivated. You have to put in the effort. This is not a get rich quick type of program. You must put in the time and the effort. Now you can make your own hours. I do. But you go through every step. They take this in baby steps, so you're not doing this half-heartedly. You're doing this step by step, and you're doing it the right way, and you will assuredly make money. So you just listen to what Anthony has to say, listen to all the videos, be a part of the community, and you will eventually start making money, and you will not regret your decision. Please click the link below and find out more about Partner with Anthony today, and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.